Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a power hour cleaning that is going ahead and being brought to you by this big old cup of coffee because I had just got done working. Today's hour is also in collaboration with this beauty right here, Jamie from Jamie's Journey. What can I say? I absolutely adore her. She's a Midwest girl just like me. And, she's expecting a set of twins and she got her sweet little baby Avery and I absolutely adore her. So make sure you go give my girl a follow. So this is going to be a simple power hour. This is not a deep clean. This is just cleaning up. So if by any means someone pops by and they see my house, they wouldn't think I live in shambles. So I'm just giving you an overview of kind of the mess we're dealing with. And it's just, us living life. And we're just going to wipe some stuff down. We're going to clean the bathroom, clean the kitchen, clean the dining room, and clean the living room. I got my trusty helpers. There's my Rhea. And I also got my little Sophie on board with me today. Becky was not here today. She was actually visiting her grandparents. And I had just came home from work. So I was like, look, let's get together. Let's get it done. Teamwork makes the dream work. All that stuff. So we got some cleaning, we got a little karaoke, we got a little life, So let's get it done, okay? If you guys didn't notice, I totally teach my kids all about good music. 80s baby here, so I always play some good old 80s new wave. If you guys are a fan of the 80s music, you go ahead and comment down below. Tell me, what is your favorite 80s song? I absolutely love everything. Everything with the exception of probably The Cure. Wasn't the biggest fan of them, but with everything else, I love it. Also, if you guys are jealous of my sweet dance moves, don't be, because they're really not that sweet. But look at my Benny. He's such a good boy. He was actually waiting to go outside. So, yeah, he's just a little angel face. But, yeah, just wiping down everything. Hopefully this will give you guys some motivation to kind of, clean up your house, get it together, and have fun while you're doing it. I mean, don't we all love jamming out to some good old music, getting stuff done, and just enjoying life? That's what it is, guys. And, making a fool out of yourself. Whatever.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind.
So now we're in the kitchen. I'm just kind of putting away all these pots and pans. Ray is washing some dishes. We're actually going to switch out and she's going to take Benny out for a walk and I'll finish the dishes up. But yeah, we're just kind of cleaning up, making our way. I'm changing out the color. I love these lights underneath my cabinet because they change colors and I had them pink for Valentine's Day. And I'll probably make them green for St. Pat's because, that's how we do. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get these dishes done. You are also going to notice that the front of my shirt is going to be all wet. That happens in my house. I don't know why. It's just the luck of the draw for me, I guess. But my shirt is always wet after I wash dishes. I don't know.
I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you.
Also, yes, we are probably the only person left in America that does not have a dishwasher. We don't have a counter space. Maybe one day, like when my kids grow up, I'll get one just to spite them. But we don't have one. And I don't think we're going to get one anytime soon. Also, I was jamming out to some club music right here, thinking I was just doing the thing, just doing it. But now I'm just going to clean out my sink, and I love using the Mrs. Meyer soap for this because it smells so good. I'm thinking of getting rid of my strainer again. I don't know, my kids might get mad. But also, in my kitchen, we dance. And we make the best memories, and I have the best time with my kids. So always remember to take whoever it is in your house and spin around the kitchen dance floor and have a good laugh, because that's where the memories are made, guys. All right, back to cleaning. Yeah, so I'm just wiping off the countertops, putting everything away, still having myself my dance party. I got rid of those flowers that were up there. Leo bought them for us for, I think, Valentine's Day, and those ones had started to turn. I still have the tulips that he got the girls. Those are about to get tossed out too, but they're so pretty, and they just like really brighten up the house. So I think I'm just gonna go get some fake ones because they last forever.
I mean every little word, I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah.
So this cleaning vinegar I get at the Dollar Tree, it cleans the stove really well. It really cuts through the grease. I know my stove's broken, but that's okay because we're getting a new one like any day now. So it's coming. Also, 80s Billy Joel is the legit jam. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love him? I mean, I guess maybe it's just me, but I love me some 80s Billy Joel. Do you guys ever see Step Brothers? Do you remember the end scene where they're like at the Catalina wine mixer? Great.
Baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you.
This is just my little coffee bar. Honey actually made it for me. There is a video on my channel if you guys want to see how we do it. I'm just going to wipe that down.
Oh baby, every curve's got me going crazy.
And now I'm just going to vacuum. This is the Shark Rocket. It's alright. I might actually invest in the Dyson one day, but for right now it does the job. I only really have this one area rug. I'm actually going to update the house and get a new, bigger, like 8x10 area rug. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep up or vacuum up, just get all the stuff off the floor. We do have a couple carpets, but we live in the Midwest and it's still snowing here because we legit have winter. I'm really jealous of all you southern babes and all you people living out on the coast because I want to have that kind of summer.
Control it, can I see?
I mean, would this be a girl power video if we did not have some disco? I mean, look, you could not tell me nothing right now. I was like singing my heart out. Back to vacuuming. When I do my kitchen, I like to take like the little floor attachment off. You'll see right now, and I get into like all the little nooks and crannies, especially around like the stove and stuff like that, because it just kind of just likes to stay there. I don't know why, but yeah, that's like my little thing. I always do it. And I'm just going to wipe down the bathroom. Like I said, this is just a basic clean, wiping down the toothpaste off the mirror because my kids get toothpaste everywhere and they're here everywhere, and just cleaning off the sink. And then Ray is going to come in here and she's going to vacuum into the toilet and wipe down the floors because, you know, teamwork makes a dream work. And that should probably wrap up our room. And we had fun doing it. At least I did. My coffee and my music. Girl, I was having a good old time. Hey, Rhea, Tommy used to work on the line. The union's been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough. So tough. Hold on to what we got. And just like that, the house is straightened up. I let those dishes air dry, then I put them away later because I got lazy. Yeah, so we went ahead, just straightened everything up. I did spray down the furniture with a little bit of like my own Febreze. It's just basically a mixture of fabric softener and water in a little spray bottle, and I just spray everything down. But yeah, so you guys can also say goodbye to that ugly stove because it's leaving. But make sure you go check out my girl Jamie's video. Thank you, Jamie, for collabing with me. I cannot wait to see those beautiful little girls, and I just simply adore you. And I'm so happy for you and your family. You are just I don't know, you're just the real deal girlfriend. So thank you guys. Hopefully this gave you some motivation to get up and get moving and get your stuff taken care of. And hopefully it helped give you some songs to add to your playlist, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.